Here's a second example with theorem 2. In the following diagram, O is the center. There is the keyword again. Okay. As soon as I see center, I also go and have a look to see if there are any radii. So I see that I have OA and OB are radii, and I know these are equal to each other. It then also tells me that OA and BC are parallel. Those are marked in the diagram already. And angle PBC equals 50. All right, so all the given information is in the diagram, and we are asked to find angle P1. Can you see that angle P1 is sitting inside of a triangle? So that is most likely the best course of action is to use sum of angles in a triangle here. And I've already got one of the angles in this triangle. So if I can find C1, then I've got it. Now I notice that C1 is actually subtended by arc AB. So I put my fingers on C and I run down to the edge of the circle. I put and with my fingers and I see AB. So I'm just going to color in the arc here. So there's A and there's B, and this is the arc. Now this arc also subtends an angle at the center of the circle. So I do have an angle at the center. Unfortunately, I don't have the value of those angles, so I'm going to have to use some other information first. And it's not a coincidence that I've been given parallel lines. I will always use all the information they've given me. So other than angle at the center, which is not useful at this moment, I'm going to start with the 50, the piece of information that I was given. And I see that, let me get another color, gosh, so many colors. I see that this angle here is made next to a parallel line. So that means that if I look at the other parallel line, I can clearly see that these angles are alternate. So that will be my start. I'm going to start with O1 is equal to 50 degrees because they are alternate angles, and the parallel lines that I used are the ones that were given. And now that I know that O1 is 50, that's the angle at the center, I know that the angle at the circumference is C1, will be half of that, will be 25, because angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. So this is 25 degrees. This one is 50. So of the triangle that's in red, I have two of the three angles. So P1 will be the balance of the 180. So P1 will be equal to the 180 minus the 50 minus the 25 because of sum of angles in a triangle. And 180 minus 50 minus 25 is equal to 105. So therefore angle P1 is 105 degrees.